Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum price action, where we are right now running in towards this critical level of daily resistance. This level has been providing us several times extreme strong support in the past, like you can see already over here on the daily candles. And right now, on the exact time of recording, we are getting already for 2 days in a row right now a massive rejection by this level, and I will be approaching this level as the main target for Ethereum to break in order to continue towards new all-time highs here. And right now in this video I will be discussing the things that we're currently seeing here on Ethereum, all the of course divergence, and of course the RSI and the MACD, and the strength of the trend currently. As well, I will be going over some horizontal levels to pay attention towards, and I will be discussing much more like the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation as well here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Let's go for 400 likes on this video, and it will be truly amazing if you can as well hit that subscribe button, since we are of course just surpassed the 53,000 subscribers here. So guys, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button already to the channel here. And with this out of the way, let me move right away in towards the video, and let me start off with discussing the Ethereum 1 hour predictions here. So Ethereum just of course approximately 5 hours ago broke through our critical level of resistance. You can see over here, this level here on the top side is a massive rejection zone here, and Ethereum got rejected already over approximately 10 times by this zone. And right now, since of course 5 hours ago, we started to move up, and right now we of course are trading above the orange box of previous resistance. So this is of course an extreme bullish chart. And this is definitely a good thing to see right now for Ethereum, of course, breaking through this critical level of resistance. And we could be, of course, looking for a retest, a bullish retest, if we're going to decrease in valuation from here on. So, yeah, I am looking forward towards it, and I definitely can't wait to see how this retest will be reacting towards the price action of Ethereum, since this will be probably very bullish. So, right now as well, we are still seeing the RSI on the 1 hourly candles forming a lower high here. This lower high is right now pretty bearish, since, of course, on the price action, we are still forming a higher high, and this is of course resulting in a bearish divergence right now on the Ethereum valuation on the 1 hourly candles here. As well, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin here for the past approximately few hours here. So that's the reason why Ethereum is right now, of course, as well outperforming Ethereum compared to Bitcoin on the chart. But we will be talking about the chart later on here. First, we're going to discuss the 1, 4, and daily candles on Ethereum, since I'm seeing some very interesting things over there. As well, if you're enabling the MACD, you can see some other very interesting things over here. Like you can see right now, we're forming a lower high on the MACD, and we're forming a higher high still on the price action, and this is as well resulting in a bearish divergence on the MACD. And guys, I do want to be not I don't want to be, of course, breaking your heart right now, but I do truly expect that Ethereum and Bitcoin is going to see a massive rejection or a massive correction, maybe back towards the 42,000 for Bitcoin, maybe back towards the $2,800 for Ethereum in the coming few days here, in the coming 24, maybe 4 to 48 hours, since right now, I am seeing so many bearish divergences playing out here. I just can't look away from it, and I can't stop warning you guys about it. Yes, we have been still increasing in valuation, but I want to be, of course, say this to every single one who is right now willing to maybe accumulate some more Ethereum around this range. I should definitely be a little bit more patient, since I do expect we could be seeing maybe a very significant pullback towards the $2,800 for Ethereum. So make sure that you're paying attention towards it, since we're seeing a clear divergence here on the MACD playing out right now. We're seeing a clear divergence playing out on the RSI. What do you want to be seeing more? Of course, I could be as well enabling the money flow index, where we're as well still forming a lower high here on the money flow index and a higher high in the price action as well, giving us a signal that the buyers are running out of momentum. The buyers are getting exhausted, and we could be looking for a trend reversal on the 1 hour as well here. So let me move further on towards it, and let me start, of course, discussing the 4 hourly chart and as well the momentum behind it. So yeah, you can see still clearly we increased in valuation. We could be as well look at maybe some kind of a pattern of a rising wedge here, but I will be going into that in a second here. First of all, you can see over here the RSI still have been forming a lower high, and the price action still have been forming a higher high. This is, of course, extremely bearish, and I just can't stop talking about it. And people, please, you may not like it that I'm saying that we are looking bearish, but this is currently the fact of the market. I like to catch the top. I don't like to short while we were sitting on the lows, because people usually want to be going short over here, but I would like to go short on the lower side, once we are bearish, you are going to look for shorts. Once we are bearish, you're going to look for longs, and once we are bullish, you're going to look for shorts, right? So you're willing to catch, I am at least willing to catch the top here. I am already dollar cost averaging into my position, and I have currently opened a 150,000 US dollars trade with a short position, so I'm looking forward towards it. I definitely can't wait to see how this short position will be reacting, of course, towards the market, since I definitely think I will be crushing the market with my short position here. As well, you can see the bearish divergence playing out over here as well for enabling the MACD. We are seeing as well a very bad chart. We're seeing a higher high getting created here, not even a clear higher high. We're still in the red, so we're still in the selling volume. The buyers don't even have the strength to create a green candle over here, so we're seeing clearly once again a lower high getting created here over here and a higher high in the price action. So for hourly as well, extremely bearish on the MACD as well. If I'm going to move on further on towards it, a reason why you could be approaching this level as a very strong rejection zone, or a very strong zone where you could be opening a short position, is because we are running in towards daily resistance. So previously this level provided us very strong support, and right now if we're going to zoom in here, you can clearly see this level is just a rejection zone for Ethereum, and as soon as we are going to close a daily candle above this level, I personally do expect that we could be seeing, of course, a massive rises towards new all-time highs, but that is, of course, for sure a thing that yet is remain to see here. So I've been already warning everyone about it since we were, of course, breaking through this 2,891 US dollars, that level that I, of course, predicted here, and I accumulated a long position at, because I opened a long position literally over here, and you guys can all find it back here on my YouTube page, on my Twitter page, every single place you can be finding it back. But I was telling to everyone, I will be longing Ethereum over there, and personally I do expect maybe a swing pattern failure, and that is, of course, that we're going to retrace back towards this level, and after that, of course, start to move up once again here. So personally I do expect a correction to at least levels around to 2,800 and 2,900 US dollars for Ethereum. We are getting so overextended. You can see the RSI, the momentum is cooling off. We don't have the steam to climb up further, while people are right now still falling for the FOMO. So I'm not going to say that we're not going to see new all-time highs getting created this year, because I definitely think, yes, we will. But right now, it's not smart to open a long position over here. It's not smart at all, and I should definitely wait for a moment as well if you're willing to accumulate. I don't think this is the best place to do so. So let me move further on towards it, and let me as well discuss the daily candle. So, of course, this level of daily resistance, like you can see over here, already 4 daily candles in a row got rejected by this level. Will today be the daily breakthrough? That will be, of course, a very bullish thing. That will be extremely bullish for Ethereum, but it is not likely to happen over here. So I do think that we're still going to create a wick on the top side here, to be very honest. But as soon as we're going to close the daily candle above it, it's going to be pretty bullish for Ethereum, and we are probably going to see, of course, rises even towards higher prices. But you want to as well be a little bit realistic. So if you're realistic, you can see we surged 90% in the past 22 days here. I know it's crypto, it can go up very quickly, but you also want to be looking for reversal signals if you're getting them. And right now on the daily as well, we're seeing a bearish divergence on the RSI playing out on the exact moment of recording. Of course, it's not confirmed yet since the daily candle has not been closing. The MACD is cooling off here, but I don't see a divergence over there, since you can't spot a divergence on such a short time frame, of course, since, of course, we are seeing the divergence right now playing out on the 4-hourly especially as well. Money flows in a divergence on the daily. We're seeing a lot of divergence right now playing out here, and that is, of course, just giving me a signal that I want to be extremely careful. And right now, let me as well move on here to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, since, of course, I'm extremely bullish on Ethereum. I still expect that it will be taking up more territory compared to Bitcoin. Right now, of course, we have been discussing this Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation already for quite a while over here. You can see over here, top side providing resistance, lower side providing support. And what have I been saying to you guys? On the lower side, you could be accumulating. On the top side, you could be selling. And right now, of course, if you did so, if you accumulate Ethereum on the lower side, you could have been already up 4% compared to Bitcoin. So it was definitely a very good opportunity that you could have took here. So yeah, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin still consolidating. The momentum is cooling off ever so slightly. We're going sideways, but we could be see, of course, another run up here as soon as we're going to break the top side of resistance. And I definitely think Ethereum has way more room to grow here, and that's also one of these reasons why I have been stacking up on my Ethereums massively, and I will be definitely not stopping to do so anytime soon here. So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's video here. You could be following me, of course, here on Twitter if you want to be staying up to date here. I'm giving all these updates here, and once again, I'm saying this, I say this on Twitter as well here. People usually don't really the people don't usually really like it once I'm saying that I'm bearish here, since people always want to be hearing what they want to hear, and people want to hear that the price is going to rise here. But I will be always staying realistic with you guys. So guys, make sure to hit that follow button as well. My Twitter page at RoverCRC. You can definitely follow us already over there here. I will be always realistic with you guys if you like it or not. Yeah, this was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.